In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WP Engine Sftp in Termius. Let's start from the very beginning and ensure that we cover every detail to make this process as smooth as possible for you. To kick things off, the first thing you'll want to do is get your Sftp details from WP Engine. Log into your WP Engine account at myengine.com. Once you're in, navigate to the Sites section, select your specific environment, and then click on Sftp Users. Here, you will find all the details you need for Sftp access. Be sure to have your environment's name, username, and password handy. It's also important to note down the port number you'll be using, which is usually 222 with WP Engine. After gathering these details, it's time to open Termius, which is an SSH client that allows you to connect securely to your server. If you haven't already installed Termius, you can download it from their official website. With Termius open, click on New Host to enter the information you gathered from WP Engine. Start by labeling this connection with a name you'll easily recognize, like WP Engine. Next, enter the host name. This will be the Sftp host from WP Engine, such as environment.sftp.wpengine.com. Following that, input the port number, which again should be 22222. Then fill in the username field with the username you copied from WP Engine's Sftp users section. Don't forget to enter the password you created as well. These fields are crucial for establishing a secure connection to your WordPress environment. Once everything is filled out correctly, go ahead and click Save and Connect. Upon doing this, Termius will likely prompt you to trust the host key. This is just a security verification, and you should click Allow to proceed. At this point, Termius will connect to your WP Engine environment. Now that you're connected, you have access to your WordPress files. Specifically, you can navigate to the WP content/directory. This is an important area because it contains your themes, plugins, and media uploads. Within this directory, you have full capability to upload new files, edit existing ones, or even delete files you no longer need. It's worth mentioning that you should be cautious when making changes to these files as they directly impact how your WordPress site functions. Congratulations, you've successfully connected to WP Engine via Sftp using Termius. You can now manage your WordPress files with ease, whether you need to perform updates, make customizations, or troubleshoot any issues. This setup not only enhances your control over your site, but also ensures your data security during